Hello and welcome to Robotics and Automation News Weekly Review. This week, OnRobot, a manufacturer of hands or end effectors for industrial robots, has launched a software update for its 2.5D camera-based eyes robot vision system. The company says its eyes new inspection features enable the system to easily sort, inspect, or pick and place unstructured objects using color and contour detection, a capability that is beyond most competing vision systems, says the company. A company called Emercent has completed an autonomous underground flight with the DJI Matrix 300 in 2 Australian mines, Round Oak Minerals Mount Colin underground copper mine and Glencore's George Fisher underground mine in northern Queensland. The company says this is a world first. Emercent's simultaneous localization and mapping autonomous flight system, HoverMap, was given early access to the next generation industrial drone in June this year. Global standards developer ASTM International has completed its first round of funding for 4 research to standards projects to promote the development of needed standards in exobionic technologies. The investment, totaling $129,000, will support the efforts of the ASTM International Exotechnology Center of Excellence to advance new standards and revise existing standards. Ridecell Software, a Massachusetts-based custom software development firm, and University of Nevada, Las Vegas, have been awarded a contract by NASA to develop a solution that will allow for collaborative robots for collaborative mobility and manipulation in a heterogeneous robotic environment. Productive Robotics says its OB7 collaborative robot has been implemented at Zymox Technologies, a custom electronics manufacturer, which used them for electrically testing every product before it leaves the factory. This means every membrane switch and touch sensor are plugged in, all LEDs are lit up, and every button is pushed. The company says the robot is saving human workers from having to press millions of buttons. The Ontario Regiment Museum, which says it has the largest collection of operational military vehicles in North America, has reopened for visitors with the help of an AI virtual assistant, Master Corporal Lana, an animated virtual agent designed by Cloud Constable as a touchless virtual concierge powered by a number of Intel technologies, including an Intel RealSense D415 depth camera. Lana is able to interact with visitors via a large screen, greeting them, providing them contactless check-in, scanning temperatures, and ensuring the museum adheres to visitor limits and other COVID-19 health protection protocols. As well as being used by Ferrari and other global automotive brands, Zortrax's 3D printers are just as successfully used at small workshops like AB Car Oldtimers. Based in Poland, AB Car Oldtimers specializes in restoring old cars to their former glory, and says parts and components for these machines are very rare or no longer are in production and are difficult to find, which is why 3D printing is often the only possible way to bring the vintage cars back to life. Robotics, a provider of digital supply chain software, has raised $50 million in Series C funding, led by Ontario Teachers Pension Plan Board through its Teachers Innovation Platform, along with existing investor Honeywell. The round, which brings Robotics' total funding to $82.7 million, ride-sharing platform provider Ridecell is helping Toyota launch a new mobility service in Sweden through Toyota's Kinto Share program. The Ridecell platform will run all aspects of the service, from customer verification, vehicle lock and unlock, service management, business operation, and analytics. Toyota obviously will provide the cars. A startup company called ECM Stator Technology has launched a new system for designing actuators that are 50% lighter and 50% thinner, according to the company, which adds that its software can design a compact robotic actuator with exact operating characteristics, ready for manufacture in just a few hours. That's it for this week's review. Thank you very much for joining, and please do share and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and watch more of our videos. That would be great. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.